Launch your kids' printable store in minutes. 10K per month passive income with Kiddy Store Fortune. Tired of Etsy fees eating your kids' printables profits? Imagine launching a stunning store today, preloaded with 10,000 plus coloring pages, worksheets, and planners. No tech headaches, no product creation. Welcome to Kiddy Store Fortune, your shortcut to 10K per month passive income in the exploding kids niche. Stick around, I'll show you how in under 2 minutes. If you're a newbie mompreneur or side hustler, hit like now. What's inside Kiddy Store Fortune? Here's the magic, a pro WordPress store built on WooCommerce, Ajax search, smart filters, customer accounts for easy downloads. All pages done for you, homepage hero, shop categories, blog with SEO posts, zero inventory, 95% margins, and mobile-ready design that screams trust. Plus, DFY promo video and Canva social templates to drive traffic fast. Normally $97, but snag it for $27 today. Use Kiddy Fortune for $4 off. 3 steps to launch and profit. Step 1. Import the WP backup. Live in minutes. Step 2. Link Stripe or PayPal. Payments ready. Step 3. Promote with templates. Watch sales roll in. Add your PLR anytime. Scale bundles. Build your brand. New entrepreneurs, this crushes marketplace chaos. Own your traffic. Keep 100% profits. Why newbies win big? Why perfect for beginners? Skip the overwhelm. Focus on fun marketing to parents and teachers. 30-day guarantee, unlimited sites. The kids' printables market hits $4.8 billion by 2030. Don't miss out. Click the link below for your $27 deal before it jumps. Comment Kiddy for a bonus prompt pack. Subscribe for more passive income hacks. Your empire starts now. Get Kiddy Store Fortune $27 flash. Link in description.